Friends, in this video, I am going to talk about the upcoming project of India's one of the prominent real estate developer, Shobha. For the first time, Shobha is coming up with residential projects in Noida. The project is coming up at Sector 36, Greater Noida. Home buyers are very excited about this project. Why? How is the construction? What are the prices? And who are the targeted client for this project? This is Magdalena, and now let's start the video. The founder and chairman of this project is Mr. PNC Menon, a 76-year-old born in Kerala. Mr. Menon moved to Oman from India in his early age and started with interior decoration, which turned to be a successful and profitable business. Mr. Menon started real estate construction business in 1995. He had a vision of best construction quality and customer satisfaction. Shobha has developed more than 500 projects in 3 decades. Now they have their corporate office at Bangalore and Dubai. Now let's talk about the main attraction of this project, Shobha's backward integration, where they manufacture and control all the construction material in-house, which ensures a strict quality and timely management. Secondly, their major focus is on building high-end luxurious homes. People who give more importance for a premium lifestyle and an upgraded living than pricing should definitely consider Shobha. Shobha as the project emphasizes with nature appeal with lush green area, which allows one to have modern living along with calmness of green spaces. The nearby area where Pari Chowk is just 5 minutes away and JP Greens, the Godrej Golf Links, is just 2 minutes away. The Delta Metro is 1.5 kilometers from the project. Typologies and price range. Spread across 3.5 acres of prime land with 2 stunning towers offering a variety of residential apartments including 2, 3 and 4 BHK units with 35 floors and 45 floors. 2 BHK is 1200 square feet, 3 BHK is 1500 square feet to 1800 square feet, 4 BHK is 22 square feet. Expected price is 15,000 per square feet. Now let's talk about the booking process. If you want to book your unit in this project, you cannot make a direct booking. For booking, after getting RERA, you have to go through the EOI submission process, which is a token for your booking appointment. Lastly, let me tell you who we are, how we can help you in this project, and what are the benefits of booking with us. We are RERA certified property consultant and authorized sales partner of the builder. If you book through us, you don't have to pay any extra cost to us or builder for our services. Booking through us, you get our exclusive services for free, such as helping you in unit selection, helping in documentation, and helping in resale and helping in renting after possession. I hope you like this video of our upcoming project series. For more information on EOI process, you can call us on the number given on the screen. To stay informed about our real estate projects, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.